Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the plaits on the sides like this. Now tie the hairs on the back by dividing it into small parts. Tie it and then rotate it using this hairstyling tool. Divide it into two parts and make a heart-like shape. Now join all the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side like this. Now at the back, divide the hairs and fix it using the rubber bands. Tie it, make the plaits and fix it on the top. Tie it using the rubber band. Fix it on the sides and it's ready. Next, make the plaits on the sides like this. Now join them on the back using the rubber bands. Tie them together one by one. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail on the sides, divide the hairs and then roll it upward like this, fold it and make a bun on the sides, fix it and your hair bun will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides, now divide it on the downside like this, fix them together using the rubber bands on the top, fix it using the ribbons and your hairstyle will be ready once you make the plaits on it, fold it upward and fix it and it's done. Next, we will tie the rubber bands together, tie the knot to fix them and fix it on the hairs on both the sides. Now we will join the hairs on the back. First tie the hairs on the back like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching.